Sanju, since morning I'm observing. These three people are sitting here.
But who are they?
I don't know who are they. They're not going anywhere. They're not talking to each other. Just they're sitting like this. Weather also, it's not right. Will I go and ask them if they have any problem?
Yeah, go and ask if they need some help.
Excuse me? I don't know you, but I've been observing that since morning three of you are sitting like this. Weather is also very bad. If you have any problem, if you're thirsty, you're hungry, you can come to my home. Come and eat something.
We can surely go with you. But there is a small problem. Only one of us can go with you.
Why?
He is well. If you will take him with you, then you will have no money problem in life. Your house will be always filled up with money. He is success. If he will go with you, then whatever work you start, you will surely get success. And I am love. If I go with you, then in your house always love, happiness and peace will be there. So tell me, from three of us, whom you wanna take home?
You give me 2 minutes? I will just go and discuss with my husband.
Okay. Who are they?
Sanju, the guy who's sitting there,
Yes?
he is wealth. If you will take him at our home, we won't have any lacking of money at our home. The guy who is sitting there, his name is Success. If we will take him with us, whatever work we will do, whatever business we will do, we will get success for sure. And that center guy, his name is Love. If we will take him with us, so in our home, love, happiness, peace will always be there.
So we should take three of us home with us.
No. We have to take only one person among them three.
So we will take wealth with us.
Why not Success?
Money comes with success. What should we do? So tell me, amongst three of us, whom do you want to take home with you?
By the way, it was very difficult to decide for us. It was very tough.
So whom do you choose?
We have chosen Love.
Can I know why do you choose only love? Because love is the one and only thing whom you cannot buy with love and success. I've seen many people who are very rich and who are very successful in life, but they are not happy with their life. Maybe they don't have love in their life, and that's why we have chosen love for us. Okay, so I will go with you.
You only told only one can go. Then why they both are coming with you?
If you would have chosen in between wealth and success, then the other two will not come. But you have chosen love. And where there is love, there wealth and success come together.
Oh. Okay. Let's go.
Please come.